Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's unbagging, another bag, is gonna be on the BDK. That's BDK is a brand name. BDK two-tone polycloth car seat cover. It's a full set combo with motor trend dual accent heavy duty rubber mats. They're black and blue. I chose the black and blue ones. It says it's a universal fit for car, truck, van, SUV. Um, I got it through Amazon. Black and blue version is $54.90, so $55. Now, here's the big old thing. We'll get to it in just a minute. I'm going to show you on my tablet what I was seeing on the Amazon app. All right, so let's do that, and then we could get to unbagging this thing. All right, you guys, here is my tablet, and here's the Amazon application that I'm using. BDK is the brand name for the item, and this is the long ass title that Amazon has on it. Here's the price of it, $54.90. They have 4 color variants. I got the black and blue, obviously. They have black and gray, black and red, black and beige. I got the black and blue one. Alright, let's look at some of the photos that they have. So the back bench seat cover, you guys will see that the top half and bottom half are separated. So there's 2 pieces to it, and then for the 2 front seats, the bucket seats, are all one piece. It comes with 2 of these floor mats. These are for the front, and these 2 right here are for the back side. I think it would be better if they included a 3rd one or a long ass strip one, just like the bench seat length, but it's good enough. There's the covers, the mats. They adapt for the 40-60, 50-50, and 60-40 splits. That's how it's gonna look like when I put it in my vehicle, somewhat. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Alright, let's get on to the actual unbagging or unboxing. Alright, you guys, let's get to unbagging this thing. Now, at first I didn't know what this was, because I would be ordering stuff on Amazon. Then I'm like, what the heck is this big old heavy package? And then I'm like, oh, it's the stuff for my car. Also, because it didn't come with a traditional Amazon packaging. I think it was a UPS or FedEx. One of those. Doesn't really matter. Now, let me tear this crap up. Oh, here we go. Nothing here. Throw it off to the side. Alright, I don't know what this separate box is for. It says carrx.com, premier online shop for automotive products. Oh, these are the seat covers. Okay, so this came with the whole product that you buy off of Amazon, so it comes with both of them. But I guess you could search for them separately. But I'm like, nah, I'm gonna get it all together. So this is the car seat covers. I don't know why it's branded Car XY, but whatever. Okay. We'll get to this box in a moment. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. Alright. And here are the mats themselves. Move out the way. Motor Trend mats. Yep, you could definitely tell. Whoa, look at this. Alright, so this says 4-piece all-weather car and truck mats. Protects your vehicle's floor from dirt and spills. Flexible and tough PVC provides long-lasting protection. Perfect design for maximum coverage and fitment. Ribbed design and raised pad hold mud and slush. Alright, so the one on the picture is the red one. Obviously, I got the blue one. You can see that right there. That's how it looks like. Alright, ridge pattern. Tall ridges trap water and debris, keeping the floor dry and clean. Trim to fit. Trimming lines let you modify the mat for tailored fit. So you guys get a pair of scissors. You put the mat in your vehicle and then you cut as I don't know, as you want. I don't know the phrase for it. Mats won't crack or curl in extreme weather. Easy to clean and reuse. Brush with soapy water and rinse thoroughly. Let's see what the back side has to say. Alright, two-tone mats. 4-piece heavy-duty mats for cars, trucks, SUVs. Ridge pattern, same thing, same thing. Yeah, it says the same thing on both sides. Odorless, eco-friendly material. Oh, and there's the BDK brand right there. Alright, let's tear this thing. Where's my knife? Yeah, this is one is gonna be awkward cutting. Whatever. I guess I'll tear it up like that and I'll figure out what I could actually cut with the knife. Yeah, when I bought my car, it didn't come with mats, so I'm like, when the hell am I actually gonna get some mats for my car? I thought these things were gonna be black and blue too. Whatevers. How do you get these things off? Hope I don't break nothing. But this thing won't come out. Alright, I pulled one out. One. Oh, Jesus. Guess I'll pull them out one at a time. This may take a while, you guys, so you guys can go ahead and skip forward if you want. Alright, one more to go. Yep, difficult. There we go. Alright, got that out. There we go. Alright, let me separate these. Alright, so those big ones are going to go up front, driver side, passenger side. Those are going to go in the back for passenger side behind the seat, behind seat 2. And let me move these out the way. See what's in the big box over here. Alright, now I can use my knife. Put the knife away. Alright. So these are the covers for the car. Alright, so I got a SUV. So 2 of them are going to be for the front and the front 2 bucket seats for the driver and the front passenger. What is this? Unhappy. We're sorry to hear that. Our customer service team guarantees your satisfaction. Happy. It says awesome. We're glad you've loved our product. And also, I have a bench seat in the back. So, actually 2 bench seats. So, I'm probably going to have to buy another one separate just to have another bench seat one. So, let's see. I'm guessing this one right here is for the bench seat on the bottom. Let's see this one. This one looks like a, not a bench seat, but like a bucket, for the bucket seat. And what is this one? Oh no, this one's the bucket seat one. And those 2 over there are the front 2 seats. Alright, I'll figure it out. Oh wait, and it does come with instructions. Oh, here are the little headrest ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the 3 on the back and the 2 in the front. Alright, there we go. And let's grab this. See, what is this for? I think these clip onto it so you can make it straighter. Who knows, I'll figure that out too. Oh wait, this is another one. So if this is a bench seat one, oh, one's for the bench seat, like the part you lay your butt on, and one of them is for your back. There we go. That's how that works. I was about to say, so they did give me a second bench seat one. Then here's the 2 that go on the front 2 seats. The front 2 seats. So this is all a one piece. Well, 1Z for your bucket seat. There on the right. Alright, and here are the instructions. It says check out our installation videos online. go to this website, so I don't even have to show you guys how I install it. You guys just go there or read it off the paper or go to their YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure that is for YouTube, but if not, it's for their own videos. Seat cover installation instructions, bench seat installation, tools needed, scissors, or a retractable knife. Seems pretty easy. It says attach all elastic with hooks. If desired, fasten 40-60 split portions separately. So some seats, my seats go down, so they have like some splits on it. 3 headrests in the back. Oh, there you go, you guys. You guys have instructions in English, and also go to that website for their installation videos. Alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys know what to do. Give me that like, that dislike, comment, subscribe, okay? And again, description will hold the link to this item that I purchased off of Amazon. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching. Peace out.